And moving over a big documentation piece, when everything's hosted in GitHub, because everything's, documents as code,
Mhm.
moving something like that over, and you're sort of like bringing in deltas, and you're taking one piece from one piece and one piece from one piece. Not only is the sort of like the attention to detail and cognitive load there absolutely huge by doing that, because,
Mm.
I did something like 2 days ago, was reviewing the documentation before it went live. And, as we're shifting documentation over, the documentation has to be in a very slightly sort of like different format when we're doing things like redirect links.
Mhm.
I ran a checker on this, and I found that I had 221 broken links.
Womp womp.
Now, all it was just the way that the links were formatted.
Mm.
Now, in the olden days, I might have written a shell script or a Python script, a bash script, or something like that just to do that for me.
Mhm.
No need to do that anymore.
Put the
Claude
clanker
Code,
on it.
Claude Code to the rescue. Take all these things, say, like, this is what I want, this is what I want, built a skill around it,
Mhm.
dropped it into that, sat back in my chair and just did this.
Mhm. Sit
Thank you
back,
very much.
relax, watch the little ticker go up. Yeah,
Yeah, exactly. Then run all of my checks the same again. I went from 221 broken links to 59 broken links. Ran it again, looked at this, analyzed some stuff, checked some stuff. Did that just a couple of times, got down to 29, got down to sort of, 30. So I back up to 30. I don't know how I went down and back up again. And then eventually got it down to 0.
Mhm.
Now, all of that happened in the space of an hour. If I was to even write a script for that, it would have taken me a good day to write the script and get it right.
Mhm.
If I'd have done that manually, I'd still be doing it now, you know?
Yeah.
So it's a funny one, is that I'm working faster,
Mm.
but I'm not working harder, and I'm not working longer.